I'm Daniel. I am content creator and instructor at Clarusway. Today, in this tutorial, we will learn about the JavaScript SetInterval function with the help of examples. Let's get this started. First, I am creating interval.html page and I am creating my HTML template with the help of boilerplate. In this page, I will use a form and I will take data from a user and I will use the data in my setInterval method. And main CSS will not be important for this tutorial. Afterwards, we will talk about CSS, especially JavaScript side CSS, and title will be interval JS function, and script tag. Inside of body, I will create a form. Will be post method. Inside of form, two label and two input will be created. And first label will be username. Second label will be user surname. For this label, I will take username and password with the help of input type text, and I will catch the data using their IDs. And input type text, name, surname, ID, surname. And I will use input type button for starting my setInterval function. Okay, input button, value will be start, and I will add my setInterval function inside of my button click event. SetInterval. Firstly, I am writing my function, and second parameter will be specified time interval. Say welcome, and 3000 milliseconds means 3 seconds. Inside of script, I will use arrow function. It is not important. Whatever you want, you can write. And firstly, I will take data from input at client side document dot query selector, and I will write my input ID dot value. Okay, and surname will be the same. That surname and document dot query selector and surname. And I will add alert, and inside of alert I will write welcome to Clarusway, and inside of a string parameter I will use name and surname. Okay, color, firstly name, and this is for surname. I will add a centered image. Okay, and I will add my division, container, and main division. I will paste my form and image HTML text. I will copy like this. Okay, go live. Username, surname, Ryan, Daniel. I will start my interval function as you see on screen. But in this example, the program executes a block of code at every specific time intervals. If we want to stop this function call, and we will use clear intervals. For this, I will add my function to a variable and this variable represents my function and I will use it inside of my clear intervals. After that, with the click event of stop button, I can easily stop my interval JS function. With the stop button, as you see. Okay, it is going on. And now I will stop. As you see, alert will not be seen on screen. And for example, with the using of interval function, we can create a timer. We can create a clock. Let's do it together. Let's create a button. On click, set interval, timer function, and 1,000 milliseconds. Okay, I will add my JavaScript function, arrow function. Firstly, I will take datetime now in JavaScript site. Let time, new date. I took now date, and I will append the date with set interval inside of my button inner HTML. Document dot query selector and my ID timer button dot value will be the time. Firstly, we will see the date time, and afterwards I will show you only time of date time. Let's see. Firstly, date. On click. Hit the button on click. It will be start. Okay. But it is the date time. And now I will take only time. To local time string. Let's run. Okay, that is my timer. It is very easy, isn't it? As you seen, our SetInterval functions can run asynchronously. For the next video, I will show a different asynchronous JavaScript function. As you know, we will talk about setTimeout.js function. Thanks for listening to me. Have a nice coding day.